Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog. I very special. And guys, it's all morning. As you can see, guys, the sky was blue in color, guys. Look. And the trees are waving right, left, center. Oh man. Anyway, guys, let's flow with the vibe. And actually, guys, it's a blessed day which God have granted us. And thank you so much, guys, for clicking my videos. So actually, right now this is my house, and guys, I wanna say God thank you so much for the gift of life. So actually today it's a video, but most of the people, they wanna ask, hello baby, what's up? Like every day I start my video shooting from my house, going outside, but it is what it is. And I'm showing you, this is where I'm staying, this is where I'm living. And actually right there, that's my room, that's my brother's room. This is where you can sit. And guys, if one day you pay a visitor, no one, you can have a like chilling place. Although right now, no of greedy solar panel here. And actually today I'm going to unbox surprise by itself to add I myself. So actually, before going on that being said, let me put the curtain well. Yeah, this is my room. Actually, this is my brother's room, and we close it for the privacy, guys. So you can see, guys, through you, one courtesy of my subscriber made it possible. I want to say thank you so much, mom. We put ceiling board, painting, and also tiles. Man, God is good. Wow. On today's topic is to unbox big surprise by itself. When I'm saying, guys, I mean. And right there, that's my baby right there, guys. So before unboxing that surprise, let's take you outside to see what is going on, like maybe something would be happen midnight outside the compound and I haven't noticed anything. So I want to take you outside, guys. But hopefully maybe by tomorrow's videos my intro will start outside. So let me close the house right now. Bruno, stop it. That's my Bruno right there. End over straight. End over and go. Wow, guys. I wonder. What's up? What's happened? You don't like people? Bruno, don't be like that. You don't like people. Be friendly to people. Yeah. Be friendly to people, Bruno. That's my cousin right there. Say hello. Say hello. That's my cousin, guys. Alright. So inside here. Inside here, guys, we have rice, I think. Right now. What? Right now. Hey guys, I must light the fire. I think right now. Watch Max. Right now, there's some rice here. See, guys, that's full of rice there. And anyway, guys, that's how a small kitchen looks like. Wow. But I had on the comment section, hello baby, build your mom's kitchen first. I'm telling you guys, dream house, it's my first priority. My mom's dream house, it's my first priority. I want to build my mom's dream house and then I'll settle down. Even on that 3-bedroom, my mom's dream house, it will have kitchen, inside the kitchen. But I will build for the public one. After finishing building my mom's 3-bedroom. Let's go. Let me take you outside. Wow, it's a bright morning, man. Here and there. This is my cousin. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello.
Yes. Both of them are my cousin, guys.
By later will you buy for me?
Yes. I have the motorbike here. Let me take you outside. It's time to curing yesterday's project, guys. Chomba chapa kate maka purasta. Usi. Can you understand go babu ke pakatem? Eneriki mumu vanate mi plasta tandani. Atore mirango. Ai mirango gara tu pate merani plasta kim. Mirango. Engine atuja pura ampa kwanza tu. Kabona naga tegera pasia. Oh guys, so right now yesterday the mason have been building here for construction. So right now it's securing water, and then after that we'll cover 4 iron sheet, guys. Anyway guys, if you wanna support, maybe like here it's my grandma toilet at large with my family, so we don't want to waste maybe some resources there, because we use a lot of money to dig that toilet and everything. So it's 4 iron sheets, 2 doors, and maybe today you see them. We see my plumbers here working right, left, center, guys. Toka ndani utamwagiwa maji. Toka hapo ndani. Sawa. Ndio hapa. Alright, it's a nice toilet. Wow. So let's go this way, guys. Remember, on today's videos, it's to unbox. Surprise by itself. I wanna say, guys, I'm not perfect than other kids, but I'm trying to improve my family in lifestyle. Nenda huku sipiwa na shoka. So right now, hey, my brother is splitting firewood here. What? Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah. You are splitting firewood? Yeah. How was your day?
It was fantastic. Yeah.
Wow. Guys, sorry, this is how we split firewood. And these avocado trees. Yeah. So when it's dry up, somehow tough to split. I'm telling you guys. Drop on the sweet comment, guys. Oh. Guys, later you'll see the plumber came to install the sink for that toilet right there. So right around. And for me, I wanna say, God, thank you so much. Every day when I wake up early in the morning, there is some activity going at my home here and there. So can I help you? Okay, come hold my camera. So I wanna help my brothers to split those locks. Do like that. Let's see how things go. Man, you split slow. Oh. Here we use brain. If you use a lot of energy, you waste. Guys, hey. Yes. Guys, imagine on this one. Hey. Hey. No. If it's tough, you left. When the time reach, I want to burn the bricks. They can use these logs.
It's bricks. Yes?
Hmm?
It's bricks.
You wait. Oh, nilikuwa nimepasua hapo mwingi.
Hakuna cha kupasua. Hapa ndio basi. Ya makonki.
Be careful with your leg. Be careful. You know I need you tomorrow. Be careful. Guys, I know most of the places they wanna use like power saw or machine to split like firewood or logs, but here we use axe. When I mean axe, I mean this one. This is an axe. Hey, energetic brother. You have a lot of energy.
Because he's eating so much.
Hmm?
Because he's eating so much.
Not eating so much.
He's eating ugali.
You don't like ugali? Hey. So after this, we take to our home. Okay. And somehow it's not dried enough. Hey. You know how to split rather than me.
He knows to put the same place.
Anyway, guys, let me greet my grandma, my grandma, and then heading to. I left my brother to split that logs. We have another logs here. You see this one? These are logs, so hopefully by maybe January, the end of January, I'll burn my mom's bricks by using this one, and I'll buy some some other trees for around $100 for burning my bricks. Coke. Yeah. Mbuyande kugende. That's my grandma. So every time when I was around here, I came to greet her, and she was eating banana. Yes, and she was eating banana. As you can see, the remaining stuff right there. Wana hanu wikaye. Mahindi ga konge. Guys, I'm asking my grandma about the maize corn right there. So she told me they have bread. Acha kusumbua bana. Rudi huku kwanza. I don't want you right now. Come back.
I don't want.
Hi, Okotame. Hi.
I don't want.
That's my grandma's house right there, guys. Aya, nenda kwa shukuru, mimi narudi, naenda mbali. Nenda kuko. Oh, guys. The remaining bricks here. Coke. Come on. Sometime, guys. Oh. time I don't mind, don't like West. Nice. Let's go. I think I'll pass this way. Wow. That's my mom's building stones. So I wonder there's some missing space of the stones. I don't know who play with my stones. I'll be very tricky. Hey, when my mama loves you, show you some love. Look. Look right here. That's how mom take care of us as kids. Like the way you see this cow, they're taking care of the calf. Wow. Hey. Hey. Just like they're washing the calf, man, by using tongue and saliva. Oh guys, that's my mom's cow, and she was very hardworking mom, and I love the fact that she advised me accordingly, and since we were young, they show us how to do some work here and there. Wow, we have another calf here. So let's go. You have another cow there. Imagine, man. Imagine, through all the struggle of my mom, she was working right left center to have a cow, to have a home like this, you know. Like she was very hardworking, and I recognized to her because in my village the rest of the women were being somehow like, but guys, I wanna say sorry for using this as an example. Some ladies and men were being somehow lazy. But some other were being hardworking, at least to be like my mom. I'm not saying like my mom shows like perfect than other parent or other mother, but what I'm seeing in my village, it's totally different what other are doing. For example, my mom and have the rest. They are working so hard. Let's go, guys. And guys, sorry, when I wake up in the morning I didn't see my mom, so I want to greet my mama and then to unbox that surprise. Mom! Oh. Sister, say hello.
Hello.
Hey. Today is white. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, that's my mama. Hey guys, it's smoke inside here. Wow. And we have an empty place, like ventilation. Hey, my sister to the world. Now this purely white. Hey, your face is shining. You're drinking tea. Hey. Guys, at large, nowadays my family enjoys. For sure, guys. It's true by God's grace. And for me, I appreciate. That's my African mom. That's my sister. And in number right now, we are 4 kids. Four kids, one mom.
Okay, sir.
And we appreciate what God gave my parents. Why not? So guys, right now let me unbox that surprise by itself, and you will see. In other way, guys, man, sometimes I feel like it's a miracle, but when God say yes, nobody can say no. So anyway, guys, I was struggling a lot. Like, let me say, um, like 1.5 year from now, 1.5 year. I was struggling right, left, center at the same time to have like bundles here and there, uploading video. And the good thing about me, when I upload the video, I do everything. We shall meet maybe on the following day when I have datas to see how my videos are being performing. But right now, God is good. God is good. God is good. And I want to say thank you so much for our beloved mom who made it possible. And right now I have Luther wife. Although most of the people will ask me, where did you going to use that Luther wife? That being said, I have the small battery inside there, although right now no solar panel, and that Luther Wi-Fi, it has the power bank by itself, but I managed to buy only Luther Wi-Fi. And guys, every month, for example, if I pay today's 27, 4,000, like this is equivalent to $40. Next on January, on 27, like today, you pay $40 every month, and it's unlimited Luther Wi-Fi. Probably I can use with my family, like my brother who study in university. They can use that Wi-Fi to see some topic or of the subject here and there, revising or study something else. And I can use in terms of uploading videos here and there. And like my brother, he was living inside there. That's the house for my brother. And actually, when he came back home, when the school would be closed, he was being around here. But in fact, I love he was hardworking, you know. Right now, he went outside to look for the job, and then later on, he would be back here. So if you don't know my brother, if you're watching my video, you see me at Nastos place, deliver him some food. That's my brother from the same mother, brother in blood. So technically, during evening time and the whole night time, then when I use my the Luther wife that I kept inside here, so I want to see how I will install up, you know. So like I bought like 3 days ago. I think today's date 4, like day 4, not date 4, day 4. So probably he will use that Luther like to be online, revising, doing this, doing that. Man, I hope story for another day. Let me bring that Luther Wi-Fi, and you will see, guys. I'm not blagging things, and when I'm saying this, I take action, and I mean, you know. Wow, Bruno, what's up? Wow. So guys, in case you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Love's for free. And tomorrow's videos, it will be more videos ever that I do maybe in back years. Tomorrow's videos. And all in well for me, on my videos, some 100% I support my family. You will see, guys. If I'm lying, if I'm not right, comment on the comment section. But I swear in God, all my videos that I do, I support my family. And guys, The way you put more energy, more effort to support a Baby official here, I support my family. Man, look, without showing my mama where she was fetching water, my mama, she can't get the tank. And mom, wherever you are, may God bless you. I want to say thank you so much for supporting the tank. It's right there, and right now we have full of water here and there. I think right now my mama is just like 2 months without going to the river. And for me, I pray every single minute this family were being blessed a million times, and more success is coming. More success is coming. You know, look, I make the veranda. Everything that you see here, installation of tile inside there. I have my own motorbike, but I want to say thank you so much, Monkey23. May God bless you, bro. With your family, you made it possible. I have the motorbike, although right now it's taking me around the village. Yeah, guys, sorry guys, sorry. I want to say, guys, Monkey, he was the one who made it possible, and I get the motorbike. I really appreciate for the love and support all the way from America. He came to my village to surprise a young boy like Hello Baby official here. But I want to say the hand that receive is the hand that been given, you know. So wherever you do things like this from your bottom of your heart, I want to say God will add you more. And it's a good thing to support each other here and there. So for now, hey sister, come here. Hey. Take this down, put this down. Hey. So funga hapa. Acha kuogopa, funga hapa. My sister, nowadays you were like a rich kid, but it's by God's grace, you know. And in fact, in Africa, if you're doing wedding show, if you are like people want to marry and they were doing a wedding, they wear these skirts or this clothes. I have already sewn on many weddings. Wow, it's purely white.
Yes.
Sijui ni mwita. Utuze hizi nywele, unajua ndo utakulia tarehe moja.
Kwani ile kofi upeka wapi ile ya nini? Ya shuleni.
Endo chukue kofi uvae.
Bali sarafu ukatoa.
Go and take your
Kitandani.
go and take your Marvin you wear. You cover your hair because you use this same style on the first. Let me show you what my mama she was doing, guys. She was washing her sandals. Nowadays, guys, for me, I'm so grateful. My mama, she was very happy. Mama, excuse me, nataka kwenda mtoni. I'm asking my mama, nowadays, did you struggle going to the river? My mama said, no. You see, guys, my mama fetching water there, rinsing shoes every day. They have small rounder, and in fact, that's my brother's rounder who was splitting firewood and whatever. My mom, guys, it's a blessing to have both of your parents. And for now, guys, like Hello Baby, I wanna say sorry, guys. My dad passed away, but I think he was watching what I'm doing to his family, you know. But I know the spirit's just there. Man, imagine I was coming from nothing to something. I can't believe maybe one day I could have my own motorbike. I can't believe one day like you could have the tank. Hey, you've already finished splitting firewood. The logs. Where is the firewood? So you can hold for me a camera. I was waiting you while like I want to unbox another surprise myself. So guys, let me ask my mom. Mama, did you believe unaweza amini siku moja ungepata tank? Unaweza amini siku moja ungepata pikipiki?
Amna.
Unaweza amini siku moja nyaboya ungepata baiskeli? So guys, what I'm trying to say, I'm telling my mama, did you believe one day that you can get a tank, 5,000 liters tank? Did you believe that one day your son, hello baby official here, could drive a motorbike? Mama said no. Did you believe one day that my sister got a new bicycle? My mama said no. And because my mom, she just believe in God, and every Sunday he went to church. And this family were being full of success here and there. And for me, I love. So guys, anyway, tomorrow's videos, I will change the narrative or I will change the view. But you'll see tomorrow's where my intro will start. I know most of the people will ask me, hello baby, what's up? What's up, man? Every day you start at your home. And east, west, home is the best. When I came from my house, I shoot my videos. I tell my good people that I was coming from here and there. So anyway, guys, story for another day. So okay. When I'm bringing that stuff from my house, take my bike outside, please. It's my humble request, bro. Just helping me take my motorbike. I'm not charging you, but like I'm not commanding you. I wanna say it's a humble request, guys. You know, sometime like when I told my brother take the motorbike outside, other people would think that oh, be careful. Maybe other people think, oh, you are charging your brother or like commanding your brother. But I'm using this word. It's a request, humble request. My brother to take my bike outside, you know. Yeah. Guys, I hope you are ready for this. And when I want to surprise, I want to unbox. Guys, be ready. Step by step. Step by step. In this journey, we will won. So it's going outside. As my sister follow my bike. Mfungulie. Well, guys, so I hope guys you're ready for this. One-on-one. That's how I open my house. Look, simple way, and it's clean. Hey. Welcome to Hello Baby's house. Actually, it's not my house. Like, my mama built this house. We stayed two of them, two brothers, and the rest. Our second brother migrated to other side because sometimes he needed to do its own things personally, privately. Well, guys. So anyway, stay tuned, guys. We shall meet when I'm unboxing that surprise. Wow, guys, I'm going to unbox my surprise. And mom, thank you so much by keep supporting me, and for my entire family who are watching my video every day, my God bless you. And for my entire fans outside there, also my God bless you by keep supporting me. I feel so good, and through your support, guys, I managed to change my family every day. Guys, for me, I put all my struggle down, and it's painful. And when I flash back years where I came from, I will never joke around with the money. So you supporting me by watching my videos, and through your support every month I change my family. Right now, guys, on these videos, after unboxing my surprise, I will take you where I was making some breaks. You will see, guys. People think like I'm doing a clickbait, but to be honest, I'm not a guy of doing clickbait. For me, it's straightforward. So right now, wow, look the amazing view. Let's go, guys. I hope you're ready for this. You're ready for this. That's my finger. You're ready for this. Let's go, man, and see what's going on. Like, wow. I must remove the sandals, and I have mine outside here. Anyway, guys, let's go. Wow. I was coming from right there, guys, from my pizza team. Let's go, guys, to unbox my surprise. I was waiting for the long time, but God is good. God did it again. Let's go, guys. That's my joy from my bottom of my heart, man. We have avocados fruits here. And less than 3 months, you'll see how it's changed, growing big. Look, you have already seen the difference between this one and this one. Wow. Let's go. Whew. Mom, are you ready? Are you ready, Mom?
Yes.
I want to unbox, Mama, my Luther wife. I was waiting for the long time, and Mama, si kila siku kuna complain na kuja usiku nyumbani. Guys, what I'm trying to say with my mom, every day my mama told me, don't come late every day. But guys, I know my struggling uploading video, it's so hectic. And I told my mama that I was coming from my friend using Wi-Fi, uploading videos every day. Sometimes I have money, I upload my video early. Sometimes I didn't have money, so I need to use people's Wi-Fi. But right now, Mama, no more struggling. I have my own Wi-Fi, but maybe the way I get the Wi-Fi one day, God will open the door. I will have the solar panel and battery and solar controller inverter. So in Ebo, I can run my electronic inside there, like charging my camera, charging my phone, even your phone, having enough light here. Even at night time, we have like, it's kind of dark in this compound, but it's step by step. We try to change the narrative slowly by itself. And sometimes my mama, she was guiding me, do this. And when my mama saw me like I'm in mess, they tried to put me in good position, in right way. So Mom, you'll see on my part of my videos, upload unboxing my surprise. Unboxing, Mama, ni kufungua gift yenye iko hapo ndani, unaona ni gani? Ndio namaanisha unboxing. Hey, Mama. Nowadays you are shining. So in fact, God is good, and Mama, she just believe in God and this family at large. So that's how. So right now, Mama, no more struggling. That being said earlier, the only thing that you need is food. Already you have shelter, and I was working on your dream house, 3-bedroom. So you see the process. I buy stones. So right now I'm remaining with balance stones and 100 bags of cement, and one bag goes to roughly 950 Kenyan money. So it's equivalent to $10, you know. So when I get to like 100 bags of cement, I could start my mom's dream house. So right now, Mama, like I think on 22nd we paid the guy for the bricks. Tulipa mtu wa matafari. Yeah, so right now, this month of December, on 22nd, I paid the guy the money. So right now, he wait until January, and then I will pay him $230, the remaining money. sana tudai fushina moja. So just like let me say guys, roughly $200. So I'm remaining. Imagine I paid from my $400. Right now it's remaining 200. I paid slow. So when I get money, I push on paying on the guy who making for me bricks. I will show you the guy who make for me bricks to his home. When I found him, you will see on my video. When I didn't found him, you will see from my home the guy who make for me bricks. So you continue their small round, right, guys? So guys, welcome again to my house, right here. That's my brother. Say hello once again. Yes. We have been together with my brother when he went to split the firewood, and when he came back and he want to hold for me a camera and hold for me a camera, guys. Before that, I wanna say guys, thank you so much by keep supporting Hello Baby Official here, your brother, your son, and may God bless you for you are taking full time by watching my videos. May God bless you a million times. And I want to feel better when my life transformed from nothing to something, from grass to grace. So that is it. So guys, I will show you. The stuff which you are talking about. It's 5G APE5. So if your phone is 5G, this Wi-Fi or router Wi-Fi, it can run by maybe like your phone is 5G, but my phone is 4G, so it's running like here. It's status 4G, 5G. My phone it's 4G, so it's running at the range of here. So maybe 5G. It's maybe Samsung Ultra 24 Note. And that phone, I make a research. It's more powerful than computer. So it goes to $1,000. So guys, story for another day. And on today's video is to unbox. Look, 5G, 3600 MBS Wi-Fi, like Wi-Fi 6. 3000 MBS 5G higher gain antenna. Maybe this is an antenna Wi-Fi. You want to repeat one more? Okay. My sister rewind me, like go back. Rewind. So it's 5G CPE5. 5G 3600 MBS Wi-Fi 6 3000. Guys, I'm reading here. MBS and 5G high gain antenna. Look, so that's the word that I was reading for you guys. You see, and it's 5G. So, but there's sometime there's something which is our privacy, so I don't want to show you guys. But I'm sorry for this. But the rest you will see, like, you see, guys, it's 5G up to, yes, this one I've already read like 3600 MBs and DL 500 MBS Wi-Fi, like dual band out selection. I don't know this one, guys, but you advise me. 5G NR high gain antenna, peak gain up to 10 dBi2. Look, I was reading that one, guys. And theoretical value based on 5G NR 200 MHz bandwidth. Oh, guys, data comes from labs. High gain antenna support. Guys, it has like so much like precaution and how you handle the router Wi-Fi, guys. And if guys every month, like I see at least, rather than every day using like money buying data here and there. Sometimes I didn't have money, I went to my friend uploading videos here and there. But actually there is some the way you can, maybe the way I'm paying the money, like in Kenya here, especially in Kenya, we're using internet known as Safaricom. So you went to your M-Pesa, you click like lipa na M-Pesa, buying goods, and then you get till number. Just right here, and then you pay on till number. Every month I wanna pay $40. That's 4,000 Kenyan money. So you just over here buy goods, and then this is the till number. It's 96324 224. You see, and then I'm able to make the payment, guys. I'm repeating this. We're using this to make some payment. Buy goods, and then the till number is down here. 96324. That is it. So my brother, come and hold for me a camera. Oh, I can touch it like that way. So guys, touch on yeah. So guys, actually, that's what I score. So let me unbox this stuff outside because of the light and all stuff. You know. Talk as well. Guys, thank you so much, mom. My God bless you abundantly and your family. And guys, for me, from my bottom of my heart, I want to say, guys, thank you so much. By keep supporting me, watching my videos, advise me, right, left, center. And right now, guys, it's a surprise from Bahama. Mom, thank you so much. May God bless you. So right now, I can't mention your name, but I mention where you came from. But if it's not advisable, please guys forgive me. And right here will be together with my sister. So just like that way. So anyway guys, let's unbox. So I've already read everything. So guys, look, it's brand new. Look, you see, 1, step 2, and then I'll do like this way. Oh, we have this. So we'll come later for the small box. So inside here, look, I'm not faking thing. Look, but I think there's a time I was showing you randomly, but I didn't unbox them. You know, sometime when I bought this in Migori, somehow we have louder music here and there, so I can't go to people's business telling one by one, oh, pause your music. No. Sometime I bought, but I do a little bit video. And then when I came back home the following day, I was showing you like this, and I told you I will unbox with you guys together. So right now here, what I have is just here, guys. This is a box. So I'll put it here. You see guys, it's silk and I haven't used them. So inside, these are folding paper. So for the protection of this router Wi-Fi. Even here guys, you can't tell. There's place for putting maybe in a socket, and then it will start working. And maybe here it's for the computer. So we have the cable, 2 but a different type of the cable. And acha kushika box. And guys, mom, guys, before that, I don't want to brag thing. Mom, what are you holding inside here?
What?
It's rice, guys. I was showing you in the morning. My mama, okay, mama, thank you for your time. Yeah, top box. Maybe people will wonder, hello baby, you should show us your mom cook rice in the morning. Why don't you? But I've already shown you a little bit. So anyway, guys, it's silk here. It's down here. It's silk inside here. Look, you see? Here, there's my password and the place where you can place like a SIM card. So let me show you guys. You see? I hope you can see, guys. Status 4G and 5G, and router themselves is 5G. Wow! And when you put like on cable or extension, they will start like blinking blue colors on this dim light here. Wow! Thank you so much, ma'am. May God bless you. So every month, guys, I wanna make the payment of $40, guys. So this number one. On the small box, let's see what are inside here. Oh man, look, you have already seen, guys. We are not faking things. These are an extension. That being said earlier, we have extension for a different type. This number one, sister, hold it for me, and this number two. This number two. So this is an empty box like this. And that being said, guys, here you see, guys, it's a polythene paper and it's silk. You see, guys, I haven't used and they were being tightened. So let me put here. So inside here, I don't want to unbox because right now, what the client told me, we use if you have a computer, this one, like laptop, you connect and then the laptop pick the Wi-Fi so you can use things online. So right here, this one, it will be fixed, guys. Here you see, here on this we have 3 holes, 1 2 3, but I'm going to use number 3 down here, but 2 of them you can use by using a computer. For now, I didn't have computer, guys. So what I'm going to use is this one here, this one, because it has this is called a header, and also it's connected with a cable. So I will adjust, like, let me open them because everything is to unbox. You see, guys, it's to unbox. So right now here, look, this is a cable we put here. And then that being said, guys, we are going to use on third, like, extension here, there. So 2 of them we use on other extension on computer. Right now I didn't have computer, so we place it here. You see, right there. And then this one in my home here, like, no off-grid solar panel, but I will use in other way. So I will put on a small, like, inverter. So I will use directly, guys. And then you will see, guys, you will see this one. Okay, so guys, just a minute, I'm coming, guys, right now. Oh, okay, hold it for me. I'm coming like this, guys, don't mind. Like, what, I'm coming right now, guys. That's my mom's right there. Tell me. Oh guys, finally I'm back. So this is my power inverter, 300 watts. It's peak power. So guys, and and right here I have my small battery. Right here guys. Like I'm not faking things. And also this is the some cables wire. I was charging on a small solar, but sometime it went off. Like I was using like 3 hours and then it went off. So right here, like systematically guys. Oh, let me stand up guys. So guys, this is it. Right here guys, I think right now no power. So this one is positive, you see the cable or the wire. These are negative, you see the black one. Red, black. Like we have neutral and I don't know. And also like positive and negative. This positive, this negative. And then positive of the inverter will run with positive. Negative will go with negative. Let's see what is working. You see guys, it's blink red, so no power here. Wow, you can hold for me. That's what I'm going to use guys for now. This is where I'm coming from, and this is the struggle of my countryside. Show people here. Yes, like that way. So let's see the connection guys. Maybe people will wonder, hello baby, how are we going to use that your wife? You see this one? I put here. Like that way guys. But right now no like no like power. It's blink red. You see? By yourself. So my brother hold me here. Just let me help. That's my brother. Hold me there. So anyway guys, psychologically this is my connection. This way guys, you see, from a small battery coming this way to the inverter, from there extend like the cable all header for my router will start there coming this way. And then the good thing about why I'm using the inverter is sometimes when this bed have maybe a lot of power, this one reduce, so it can't affect my router. So that is it guys. So from now I'm going to charge this small battery by using like a small solar, and then I will use it like in the evening 3 hours. I upload my video, and then at the same time when I finish everything I'll turn off everything guys. Do you remember guys, I take this battery from my motorbike. To be honest, let me show you guys. It's for my motorcycle battery. You see, yesterday I taken from my motorbike, so to test whether these things are working. So it's working, but I realized my battery doesn't have enough power. So for now guys, thank you so much. May God bless you. So let's see how I'll work on it. Let's see guys, let's see. My brother, you wonder, but everything will be okay. No problem. Guys, thank you so much. From this, I was unboxing my surprise. Thank you a million. May God bless you for taking all your time by watching my videos. How, like on today's vlog, how I'm unboxing the surprise here and there. And for me, I was so grateful. My brother, what did you think about?
I'm so happy to see you have been proceeding, working. So the only thing I can say, the one who support you, may God bless you.
All her.
Anything he wants, he wanna get it and support you. And also supposed to remember when he or she supporting you, and also you are supporting others. So me, I'm happy. I don't have thing that I can add to that one.
Alright, guys, you heard from my brother. That's the words from my brother. Guys, the way you're supporting me, I support my family, I support other people. Go and watch my video. Like, I'll start shooting my video home, but at the end of the day, I support each other. Like on Christmas Day, on Christmas holiday, like a day after tomorrow, I surprise people, guys. Like, if I surprise one people, two or three, that's where maybe my hand can reach. But the next time maybe I will support like more than 2 to 10 people. I will support more than 50 people. But for now, as I speak right now, I have the clothes for the kids which I bought. And for now my mama kept inside the house. I'm trying to look that couple until when I get them because it's my promise from my bottom of my heart, guys. So I didn't get them. I give that cloth to my mom to keep it. Until when I get them, I will take to them. So anyway, guys, let me return this sofa to my house and then you will see on the next video, guys. Much greeting. Amazing videos coming from here, guys. Guys, I'm around here at Nyabuhans and finally I met my cousin with a small business.
I have that egg. I'm supplying that village. Yes.
Okay.
So,
I'll see you later. Well, guys, so we need to have the breakfast right now, and I'm supposed to wash my hand here. Hey. Oh, guys. Well, guys, let's see. Oh, more delicious food, guys. Oh man, I don't take much. That's okay.
Oh, no.
Mm. Kibidi kusukuma. Oh, guys. So let's see, guys, what are inside here.
Guys, at times for me, I'm always busy, like very extreme. Yeah, I don't have time for food. Because right now I'm rushing to make my hair. It's purely in a mess. Total mess.
Oh, guys,
Total mess.
God bless this food. If I take it in Jesus' name, I pray. Amen. Guys, let's enjoy.
Pure mess. Because tomorrow we're heading somewhere, so I have to prepare myself.
Okay. Guys, it's the mix of beans and maize. Not have to get dirty.
As we're heading to the border town of Kenya and Tanzania, because tomorrow we're heading somewhere, so I have to prepare. Yeah, I hope everything go as our expectations. But it is what it is.
Oh, guys, I finished taking my breakfast, so it's time to ride. And right now, I left the dining area, so we're heading outside. Hey. It's an amazing day, man. In Africa, Kenya here. Why not? Yeah, yeah. Oh, let me check. No, so he was asking me, I left the key here for the bike because I was riding the new bike for Congrats Dad. Oh guys, sometimes I think it's quite hot. But anyway, we flow with vibe. Oh guys, let's go. We have the maize corn right there. So for those people who don't know the maize corn, so this is where we are talking about. This is the maize corn. This is how we dry in the sun, guys. We have plenty of them. Let's look. Even other side. Wow. Guys, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and also share my videos if it's possible. Wow. So I want to rotate my baby. We left this place for some few hours, guys. Amazing view. Hey. This is my baby here.
Okay, let's go. At least for you, your hair is okay.
Yeah, mine.
Yeah, at least your hair is okay. Okay, guys, we're leaving home. Hello, baby, where did you make your hair?
The same place where we make your hair.
Oh. But there is some guy who there is a guy who once made my hair, though he is not within here in Dar es Salaam, which used to be the capital city of Tanzania. That guy, he's on another level. Like, I've never found such a stylist individual. Ni mchanga mani mora. Now we're heading at the border. Hello, baby is excited because maybe tomorrow we'll be going somewhere. So he's so excited.
I'll join the squad.
He has never been in that place. Yeah, I'm very hopeful everything wanna be going as my expectations. I hope things won't take a U-turn. Hey, things take a U-turn. Serious, guys. Things take a U-turn. I know you will feel bad
Me?
when things take a U-turn.
Yeah, I will feel bad for sure.
I know. But let's be very hopeful. The guy won't take a U-turn. Because guys, tomorrow we're planning to go to the capital, Nairobi, Kenya. It will be his first time to go there. So let's see how it goes.
My reaction, guys.
Hey, little baby.
I want to know the route.
You'll see tall buildings. You'll take good picture.
But I will be very careful with my phone.
Yeah, if you joke, your phone is gone. And it's very easy.
Me, I will follow you.
Guys, I've been studying in Nairobi more than 10 years, so I know what I'm speaking about. Nairobi is a city where you have to be very careful. Not all that glitters is gold.
Carry my small bag, put on front, and I'll come with jacket inside. But I don't want that.
Yeah. Good. is our chief. I don't know these days if things have changed. Chief hates the location. That question used to come in our exam when I was in primary school. Who is the head of the location? Chief.
Hello. Hello. Yeah. Yeah. Boa. Eric. Eh. Eh. Eh.
Okay, guys. Hello, baby is speaking on phone.
Eh.
So let him finish what he's speaking.
Eh.
All right. Maybe I should show you around to keep his video rolling. So this is where we come from, you know. So subscribe to his channel. This is David Jr. I'm just supporting him, you know, to be somewhere, you know. Right. It's right there. So hit that like button. Yeah. Also subscribe. Also you can share this video to one of your friends. We really appreciate. I'm just waiting for him, you know. At the same time, he has to hurry up because it's going with time. Okay. Swende. Where do you prefer with fuel? Here or at the border?
At the border. Let's see whether it can take us to the border.
Yeah, because I'm so tired, so I need to do my things very fast. Also come back to upload the video. Okay, let's go Shell then. V-Power, you know V-Power is very strong. It's not a regular petrol. But we have some small gas stations around. Let's go. So cross fingers for us, guys. The road. This is careless driving. It's overtaking the corner. Here they mine Maram. Thank you. I'm so tired, guys. I've been watching videos. Keep going hard. Never giving up. Never giving up. Also, people are preparing for New Year. Because the New Year it's coming. The New Year is around the corner. That's a school bus painted yellow. Good thing we almost where we heading. It's just there, guys. Oh, if you could go fast. Really? Okay, let's go the other side. Hapa. Okay. Let's see. Mambo? Popoa? Mwekea 200.
Weka vipawa. Gone off. So guys, if you put gas, vipawa. Wow guys, the shell vipawa. Oh guys, over uyore ilo wasira sana msani. Ufogote tagote mkwano vaenge and right there we have the restaurant, supermarkets. Man, I'm telling you, so it's time to go. Wow. Okay.
Trend.
Okay guys, I want to end my video here.
Let's go. Why should you end?
Yeah, I feel like I'm tired.
No. We need to create videos. you tired?
You know, it's still smelling. Okay, let's show where we're heading to. But I was shooting video in the morning.
No, you should take this content creation with a lot of seriousness.
Yes. Yeah, I'm serious.
Not saying tired, crying. No.
No crying.
Because from these videos, they make who you are today. So this is the border town, guys. And you have to understand, the longer the video, the more success. I don't know if you know that. Because they boost watch hour. Hey, that's a Mazda, baby. Huh? I love that. When I see ladies prospering, driving good cars, I love that. Yeah, it is.
Guys, finally, this border town, and I myself tried to make the hair here. Actually, let's see. I have like clean towel. I don't need to say hello.
Hello guys, I'm Patrick Suna, and I'm here in Hispania. We do dreadlocks, so like, I'm the one even who works on her hair. I have a YouTube channel. Please go subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called Nature and Beauty.
Nature and Beauty.
Yeah, Nature and Beauty,
so
guys.
Beauty is here.
Yeah, Beauty is here.
So they want to boil water.
Yes. I have to boil water.
Wow, so we came here, guys. So even me, I think.
So guys, this is where I always make my hair. Though it's been a while. It's total mess right now, and also my nails.
Okay. Even me, I think previous day I was being here.
Because tomorrow you're leaving home, so I have to look presentable.
Okay. Okay, so unanarudi. Mara ya mwisho. Unaanza YouTube unajiita nani?
I'm called Nature and Beauty.
In YouTube channel.
YouTube channel. I have a new YouTube channel.
Okay.
And I'm kindly requesting you subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Guys, support him.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Support him, guys. So I want to end my video here by saying, guys, thank you so much. May God bless you. More videos coming from here, guys. Alright, guys, after unboxing my surprise, so right now I left my house. So actually I'm going to see the progress of my bricks. No, I must lock my house like that way. So guys, you advise me, hello baby, finish your toilet first and then you go to your mom's dream house, like buying materials here and there. So right now, let me check my bricks. It's long time, guys. It's long time. Let's check my bricks, guys. Muita! Oh guys, that's my babe right there. So let me check my neighbor who make for me bricks, guys. Happy man in the world. Let's go, guys. Actually, I'm going this way. This route goes to Crowdy Joseph's home. This route goes to, when you go down, you go to Nyabohan. So when you go this way, you use a shortcut going to Border Town. You have been there watching my videos, how I was going, how I was taking the routes, changing the routes here and there. Let's do it. Hello. 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 Oh guys, people have been calling me and then they didn't receive the call. I was receiving, they don't talk. So it's problem. Anyway guys, sorry for the call, and let's go this way. So that's how I'm taking you to my neighbor who making for me bricks, guys. Let's follow the vibe. Let's follow the vibe. Wow, guys. Automatically, here we go. And let's see how things goes. So we're remaining with some more couple of week, and then we start burning the bricks. You will see, guys, buying timbers or firewood for burning my bricks. You will see, guys. You've been there watching my video. You will see, and then as I promising you guys, I mean, wow. Let's go. Let's go, guys. I'm heading this way. Wow. Wow. Anyway, guys, this route goes to Nyabuhansi. This one goes to Border Town. We use it as a shortcut. It just like road junction. East, like west, go to Nyabuhansi. East goes to Border Town. Like when I'm standing here, it's just like a compass direction. Like west goes to Nyabuhansi. East goes to Border Town. Like south goes to Hello Baby's home. North, another side I don't know. Another side maybe goes to like, I don't know, on that place. Sometimes it's crazy. You know, I'm standing on the middle of the center of the road and I'm using as a compass direction. But anyway, guys, it's a serious. When the sun sets, it sets from east here. When it goes down, it goes to west. I think, guys, I'm right. I'm not wrong. I'm right. Let me show you guys my progress. At the same time, guys, on today's videos, it's surprised by itself, but because of time here and there, I say, you know what? Let me show you. And for now, I want to show you right now. Why not? Oh, guys. That's how our neighbors live, and probably let's do it. In case, guys, you meet my video and you are new on my videos, please comment and let me know what do you think about on today's videos. That's my neighbor's cow making noise like, oh, maybe they need napier grass, but I didn't know. But technically, you heard that the noise from cow. Maybe they need napier grass, like that one there. They need to be taken outside, you know, all kind of stuff. Wow, it's an amazing day like this. You see the small kid grazing small baby calf. What be more? The small kid grazing small new baby calf here and there. Look. Hayar. Wait. Hayar. Oh, guys, let me visit my neighbor. Robbie, can I say him? I'm visiting my neighbor for the first time, guys. Mahindi. Guys, this is my neighbor. Let me see him. He was the one who make for me bricks. Lakini nisiruhusi ke kana nile harno rahetere. No. Nke kwani? Embeho. Bigi. Guy. Oh, imagine my baby. Guys, oh finally I'm just at my neighbors and he was the one who make for me bricks. Can I get out? Openen serious in do.
Imbra.
Ita chonte mero openen. Ngutu ama tafa nuore ka bang. Yako ba ko no ko nene mo. Ano ko rakini nyum. Kan ko tante me ko ro. Usimbe ta ko riga karakata mere.
Otem ba ko ko Hey.
Ata kama ngoro ro bone futano kalengora atem. Takona no ateme matafere futano ka kono. Ka wansere hands. Afakanda gara. Esi yaganda kanomba liri chisimiti.
Atana kuri simiti. Kumata nyangi bila kachoka reka tokeleze.
Si nomara ile no Mungu moja wazimu.
Ya kuri karamu.
Meba.
Hata marot.
Watemo ke.
No kaya na semiri kwanza.
Guys, what we are trying to talk about the issue of these bricks. They're somehow big, man. This is their house. He was struggling here and there. Look, guys. Imagine. So that being said, in our village here, even I personally, I'm struggling here and there. So he was the one who make for me bricks. And just over here, guys. Let me show you. In Benny on the road, the bricks is this one here. You see? So maybe January, in a dry season, you want to burn them. And he was the one who to burn them. And guys, the house, maybe when I pay him money slowly, he went maybe to make some grills for the window grills, door. So right now, guys, no door here. So sometime when I pay him money, maybe he has an idea of making doors, window grills. And in fact, guys, I love the way he was working so hard, guys. Here and there, guys. Oh. Wow. This is their house, guys. We have the cow piece there. Wow. Anyway, guys, that's our hard working. Okay. So let's show me how they make bricks. And maybe because of the challenges, we have a lot of rain here and there, so he paused. But he told me the end of January, we burn them. Hi. Pone elfu kumi ni hegari hik. Han.
Udandingi turi. Anu wiri sabure uri chakuditama.
Pana renguri nyengira rukuhele.
Kalamba ronde ichune maburi.
Atuwe no ranteme hapo tafumanya ko heno morono no ara guri chinkwi. No ara kasonde kuru hano.
Nenda akole ende tyapa obuwe. Tambi munga turi chinkwi.
Hatoka ankora 15 muro. Tesare hero. Hato no matego mani chinkwi ndake ngesombe kugarama yani.
15 atem urahi.
Tego tendanga. Elfu kumi tiwo ka uramba. Ngo hino mosane tyamo ngato tetema chinkwi ni cyane. Ogosombe ko nukuye wana nakane. Indire abantu basombe mani.
Iga. Nemaga ndi kwenge.
Okay, guys. These are our bricks over here, and I think right now it's around 5,000. Above 5,000. And for my mom's dream house, it would take 10,000 plus. But when maybe sometime it's reduced, I would maybe to fill up by buying maybe. But for meanwhile, let's support my neighbor just over here. So maybe by the next week they will start making bricks, guys. So guys, anyway, guys, thank you so much. If you keep supporting me, Imagine guys, from a $400 I paid right now, I'm remaining with $200. So to clear everything from my neighbor who make for me my bricks here, guys. Thank you so much. We shall meet on the next video, guys. Bye bye. Much greeting from here. I love you guys. We shall meet on the next video, which is tomorrow, guys. Bye.